Meaning of high-tech.
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 High-tech. High-tech refers to the use of advanced technology and modern techniques in a particular industry or field. It is often associated with cutting-edge innovation, sophisticated machinery, and the integration of science and engineering to create new products or solutions. High-tech industries can include areas such as electronics, aerospace, biotechnology, and information technology, among others. The term has become increasingly popular over the past few decades as technology continues to advance at a rapid pace and permeate nearly every aspect of modern life.